Ephesians chapter 6, verses 19 to 20. Pray also for me that whenever I speak, words may be given me so that I will fearlessly make known the mystery of the gospel, for which I am an ambassador in chains. Pray that I may declare it fearlessly as I should. And that's the prayer request of our Apostle Paul, as we all know. And our activity today is one way of supporting our missionaries, and part of it is just like Apostle Paul, we acknowledge that we need to build relationship and pray, always pray for our missionaries. So Love for Mission 4 is one of the creative ways of fulfilling what the Apostle Paul is requesting for our missionaries. So in our Asia Pacific region, the Nazarene Missions International, which we all know as APR NMI, is connecting with our missionaries allocated to our region as our care and connection missionaries, or what we used to call before as the links. So Love for Mission 4, because this is the only our fourth year in Asia Pacific region of doing this, and we are grateful to our very creative and active regional NMI coordinator, Sister Christine Moswella, who conceptualized this and coordinated to everyone concerned in our Asia Pacific region to make this happen. And so here we are. We are all here because we all believe that this is a great way of showing that we do care for our missionaries, that we love to meet them, and that we love to hear and get to know their stories, so we can really build our relationship as well as to effectively support and intelligently pray for them. So the aim of this activity is to help us or help our local churches and foster more a sense of involvement to Nazarene missions. So here we are. That's Love for Mission 4. And thank you all. And let's continue to enjoy our time together. Again, welcome.